So here we have this VEVOR weather station. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. It comes with this user manual that'll help you set it up and get started. It also comes with a sensor unit that you'll have to put outdoors, and it takes two AAA batteries, which it does not come with. And once you put the two batteries in there, this thing will turn on. Also on the back, there's this keyhole hanger to hang it up, and in the battery compartment, there's a channel selector, as well as this button here to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. It also comes with this display unit, and this takes three AA batteries that you're going to put in the back right here, or instead you could use this power cord that it comes with, and it plugs right into the side here. There's a little cutout right here so you can hang this thing up, or it also has this fold out stand so you can set it on the table like that. And once you put the batteries in there and give it power, then it'll turn on, and you can see all the different readings on it. And then after a few seconds, once it connects to the sensor, it'll show the outdoor readings over on this side. So let me go ahead and mount this outdoors to get a more accurate reading. And after installing the sensor outside, you can see the temperature drops quite a bit, and it continues to drop as it acclimates to the outside temperature. Anyway, this thing's pretty simple. It shows the outdoor temperature as well as the outdoor humidity. Then it shows the indoor temperature and the indoor humidity. And the temperature and humidity readings update about every minute. Anyway, in the center, there's a sort of weather forecast, and you can see here's all the possible weather readings it can have. And then right under that is the time as well as the date and the day. And then there's also a little icon to show you which phase the moon is in. Anyway, there's quite a few buttons on the top of the display that you can use to change around the settings. There's quite a bit you can change, so I'm not going to go into that, but the instructions do a pretty good job at showing you how to do all that. One thing I will mention though is this snooze dimmer button, and pressing this you can change the brightness of the screen. And the dimmer button is also how you're going to turn this on when you have it unplugged. You can see after I unplug it, it turns dark after a few seconds, then to light it back up, you press that button. And then it'll light up for about 10 seconds and then turn dark again. So yeah, I mean, this thing's pretty cool. It's simple to set up. I like how there's a stand on the back so you can set it on a table, as well as the option to hang it up on the wall. It has a nice big screen that's easy to read. I also like how you can use it with the charger cord or just the battery. And as far as I can tell, the temperature and humidity settings are pretty accurate. I can't say whether or not the weather forecast is accurate though, but overall I think it's a nice, cheap, and easy to read digital weather station.